why I made LinkedIn my platform of choice 6 years ago. And I've been saying it every single year that this should be your platform this year. And then it was the next year. And even Gary Vaynerchuk talked about at the end of 2019, he said, if you do not have a marketing plan for LinkedIn in 2020, you're going to get left behind. And people still don't. And they're going to get left even further behind. So there's three big things that you need to look at from a social media perspective when deciding where to spend time. Number one is the size and the health of the organic network that you can grow. Now, when you look at Facebook, you're only allowed 5,000 friends. And I put that in air quotes because are they really friends? They could be acquaintances, people you ran into at the grocery store, you went to college with 20 years ago, you graduated from high school with that you never spoke to. And then you look at Instagram where, yes, you are allowed unlimited followers. But percentage-wise, Instagram has the highest rate of fake accounts to real accounts on all of social media. Now, when you look
also,
at...
I just want to interject, very saturated.
Yeah.
Both Facebook and Instagram, you're going to have a hard time building an organic audience there right now.
Well, you're completely right. And Facebook is the barbecue of social media. That's where people go to commiserate, to hang out, to share what's going on about their life. Instagram is the home of the narcissist. So Instagram is where people go narcissistically to share their life. I call it the Real Housewives or Bravo TV of social media. It's showing this narcissistic, amazing, picturesque, perfect life, not even like no negative things at all. Everything is fine and dandy and beautiful. Now, I'm not saying, be a negative person on social media, but I can guarantee you no one's life looks that perfect. And that's why I have a love-hate relationship with Instagram, because of the narcissism that's going on there. I like being genuine and authentic and real, sharing the victories, the lessons, the bumps, the bruises along the way, not just the quote unquote highlight reel of what most people are doing on there. Now,
I think being vulnerable needs to be part of your strategy wherever you're honed in on. I agree with you there. I mean, there's positive in showing, all the good things that you're doing and all the subscribers and the great picture on the beach, which if you go to Mark Smart Media on Instagram, you can see some of those yourself right now if you want. But thanks for watching Mark Smart Media. Here we're going to help you create better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Smart Media. Peace.